Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the pages that must differ and inserting a section break at the end of the preceding page. This creates separate flow for numbering. Once done, open header and footer and deselect link to previous to isolate the new section, because connected headers carry numbers across. Make sure you saved a copy before changes. That prevents accidental loss. Now you have the sections and isolated headers ready for per section numbering commands. You now place the cursor in the section where numbering must change and open page number, then format page numbers. Choose Roman or Arabic as needed because format affects appearance and continuity. Next, set start at to the specific number you want. This overrides continuous counting. Then insert page number into that section's header or footer, confirming it only applies to the current section. Make sure each section has its own page number if styles differ, otherwise numbers will repeat. To finish, scroll through each section and confirm the chosen format and start values display correctly. Update fields with select all and F9 so all numbers refresh. If a section still shows the wrong number, return to its header/footer and confirm link to previous is off, because a linked header overrides the local setting. If problems persist, delete and reinsert the section break, then reapply start at. That resolves most numbering conflicts and restores proper sequencing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.